They've been absent from the top flight of Welsh football for nearly a decade, and in their absence, local rivals Bangor have seemed to thrive under it. Now, this season, it seems like the tables have turned, and this could be an opportunity for Caernarfon to regain themselves as top dogs here in Gwynedd. This is FC Cymru, and this is the Cofi Army. Around 10 years ago, Caernarfon were just averaging 200 fans per game, but a decade later, and through continued work in the community and a revival on and off the football pitch, they have now become one of the most well-supported clubs in domestic football in Wales. Caernarfon will be taking around 1,400 of their fans to Bangor in what is sure to be a fiery derby. Now it's time for me to go talk to the local Cofi Army, who will be hoping that their team are firing on all cylinders tonight.
I bleed yellow green, you know, it's always have done, always will do. Be through the worst times and the best of times, and it feels as though this is not the best of times, because we're only going up. We're just getting better and better. I don't think there's any club like us in Wales at the minute. And I've got to say a massive shout out to people like Nathan Craig, football in the community, who has brought Caernarfon town into all the surrounding villages, which has never been done before. It always used to be sort of very cliquey, and he deserves a massive amount of credit. He really does, to where we are now.
So you're a director. Please explain your role here within this incredible football community.
It's keeping an eye on these lot, actually. It's a family thing for me. My grandfather was in the 50s, my dad was in the 70s, so I've just carried the whole thing through. Yellow and green's in my blood. Caernarfon as a town, it's so community based. It's a small town. Cofi Army they play such an integral part of the club. To look back and see where we are now, it's just absolutely unbelievable, but we're Cofis, we are going to bounce back. There's no stopping us,
I've heard there's about 1,400 of the Cofi Army making their way over to Bangor.
We could have taken some of Bangor's allocation as well, so see how much they bring to the game.
I'm here with James. James, you're a former Cofi player.
Yeah, when you've got that 12th man behind you, going to support the team, it's a massive difference. If I was playing tonight, I'd enjoy it. Having all them lads shouting your name, kicking every single ball with you, it'd be massive, absolutely massive.
Darren Thomas, he's one of our own. Come on, the town.
Am ryw ddigwyddiad, mae hwnna mewn at Edwards, a mae wedi cael ei benni fi, ac mae wedi'r hoed i'n hornel yn hoed o blaen i gefnogwyr. Yr arwr mawr, 35 mlwydd oed, un o stalwart y gêm Pel-droed yn Nghymru.
Syglaw yw i Caernarfon am olygfeydd, y capten Nathan Craig yng nghanol y cefnogwyr.
Oh, fantastic feeling, to get a win against Bangor is always good, bitter rivals over the years, so no, it was a great result for us. I first came on board there as an academy coach, did that for 4 years, became a board member, part-time physio, and for the past 2 seasons now I've been the kit man. 10 years ago the gates were shut, and to be honest, it looked really bleak. The supporters took over the running of the club, and they've built and built, and we are where we are today, top 6 of the Welsh Premier League. So that's down to, to the community more than anything else.
Absolutely, definitely. Well, thank you very much for your time, and wish you the best of luck.
All the best, mate. Thanks a lot.
Full-time results here: Bangor 1, Caernarfon 2. The magic of the Welsh Cup continues.